Okay, so here's part 2 of my video. I'm going to paint that little table in Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint. The color is Luckett's Green, and here it is. It's kind of small, so I want to make sure that you see the name, so I wrote it out. Luckett's Green. It's having trouble focusing, but I think you can pretty much see it. So now I'm going to apply the bonding agent. And now what the bonding agent does is it helps it to adhere to the surface of what you're painting. Otherwise you get a chippy look. It kind of starts chipping off here and there, and that's not really what I want for this table. I want to distress it, or kind of scrub the edges a little myself. I want to have control of that. So I'm going to use the bonding agent, and I'll mix that into the milk paint. The milk paint comes in a powdered form, so I will mix this with water, and then I will add the bonding agent. And then for the piece, I'm going to finish it off in the wax. So she carries also the Miss Mustard Seeds furniture wax, and here it is. It's creamy, looks buttery, looks delicious. It's just a wonderful wax. So that is what I'm going to use to finish off the table. Now I'm doing this all on my kitchen counter, and I feel comfortable. This paint is it's all natural. There's no VOCs, so I'm not afraid, that it's going to contaminate anything. I'll be careful, of course, but still, I'm comfortable in mixing it here in my home, and then also painting the piece of furniture, in my home. And of course, where I'm at, it's so hot outside. It's so hot in the garage, and that's, I'd rather work on the piece inside my cool house. So this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to mix it up and start painting my table.